Hey guys, Ray from Love Your RV and Boat. So I got myself a beautiful mid-January day here in Campbell River. Nice and sunny and dry. Not too cold either, so I'm going to do a maintenance task I've been waiting to do and replace the skylight, our shower skylight up on the roof. So I had replaced it before when I accidentally had it broken by my Starlink during a windstorm. And then just recently, the one I replaced got a big crack on the side. I think maybe I hit a tree branch or something. Anyway, I wasn't really happy with that skylight. It was kind of a dark tinted one, and it ended up kind of crazy on the plastic. So I've got a different model here. It's kind of a white one. It feels pretty thick, pretty solid, so I think it'll be a better replacement. So we'll go up there and I'll have to undo all the screws that are holding the one down. For sealant, what I use is underneath the edges there. I use butyl tape underneath the edge to seal it. And then usually I'll cover the screws with some lap sealant and go over that with even roofing tape, which I won't do today because it's not really that warm out. I don't think the tape will stick very well. The sealant looks pretty good. I've used it a few times. It's wet or dry application. It's just a self-leveling caulking lap sealant, so that should be good enough for now anyway. So we'll get up there and take the old one off. Okay, here we are, and there's the skylight. This is where it had cracked. Just temporarily fixed it up with some of the roof tape to get us through the cold winter where it was raining a lot. I couldn't get this job done. You can see how this is kind of crazed anyway. So I just got to pick out all these little screws, get them back out through the tape, and I'll carefully just cut around where the tape was and peel that back. We can get installing the new one. So I carefully went around there with a X-Acto knife. Now I'm just using my hive tool to kind of pry the old skylight off of here. Okay, it's able to pry it out. Now I'll run some new butyl tape all around that edge, seal it up again, and we can get the new skylight in there. Put all the screws back. A ton of screws came out. Some of them a little hard to get out because they got some sealant on them, but managed to get them all up, so I'll clean them out. And maybe I got some new ones. Let's see if I got some new ones in my box of supplies. Okay, so I've laid down a couple strips of this butyl tape. This stuff's made by Alpha Systems, and man, is it sticky stuff. Works good though. I've sealed a few windows with it in the past, and been no problem. And it's still sticky even after several years. Okay, got all the screws in. Found a bunch lying around that worked pretty good. Wasn't quite the same size as the other one. It's got kind of more rounded corners, so I'm gonna have to get quite a bit of lap sealant around there. Anyway, looks good. Feels a lot stronger than that other one. That other one you could just push on it. So, and I don't really care about the tint. Okay, there we go. Let's put a bead all the way around, filled in all the cracks. That stuff's self-leveling, so it will kind of spread out a bit more, fill any cracks. And I just covered all the screws as well. I think we should be okay. We got a couple more clear sunny days, so that should give it time to dry before the next bout of rain hits. You can see the roof here. I think I'm going to order another pail of that acrylic roof coating. I used some stuff from Alpha Systems. Got 2 coats on it over the last number of years, and it's really helped keep the roof nice and white and just sort of seals it all. You see where it's all sealed, all the tape and everything. So put another coat on that once we get into the warmer part of spring. Till next time, Ray from Lovey RV and Boat. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers, everyone.